I'm with co-owner and engineer Marco of EPTechnologies, and he's going to run me through the Saildrive systems that they have. Marco, I know you have two. Tell me the differences. Obviously, one turns.
Yeah, so we have one that turns and one that is fixed, so customer can choose. We made new development, so it's our own design. Most people know it's designed around the 70s.
Okay.
And this goes up to 60 kilowatt. This is our own design. It's 2024 design, and it goes up to 80 kilowatt. We can see they are much slimmer in a diameter. It means less resistance, more compact, so more efficient in the water.
Does this fit a traditional propeller still?
Yeah, we have the same hub, as you can see.
So this is the same hub exactly?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, okay. And so the advantages of being able to turn this around, what does that give us? Obviously, we could use it as a stern thruster.
Yeah, you could use it as a thruster, so you have better maneuverability in the boats. We can see that here. This is the control lever, so you can go forward and backwards, obviously, and you can turn it as you want, and everything is on the display here as you like. Then one great advantage is you can have a folding propeller on it.
Yeah.
The feathering propellers are flat propellers, so the blades are like that in the water,
Right.
which is never a good shape, but when you go into gear, they will turn, but they still have a flat surface. So you lose efficiency.
So this is the same idea as a sail, it needs that shape.
Yeah, and then you have the folding propeller, which is very good in sailing. It has a shaped propeller, so it's good in forward, and it's also good in regen with our solution because we can turn the Saildrive 180 degrees.
Fantastic,
and it's again facing the right way.
So what you're telling me is when you turn this from the normal position for regeneration, the reason that regeneration is not that good is because the leading edge of the propeller is not correct.
Correct.
And then as we turn it around to face into the water, it is.
It is, yes.
Regarding motor sizes?
Yeah, so we sell those from 10 kilowatt up to 80 kilowatt.
Okay.
10 kilowatt can be 48 volt, 48 volt can be up to 30 kilowatts, and if it's more than 30 kilowatt, we need to go up in voltage to 100, and eventually for 60, 80 kilowatt, it will be 5 to 700 volt systems.
Holy smokes. The only thing that I see in this as well is this appears to be a complete package with the cooling system and everything is one. Is that correct?
That is correct. So you get one package, everything is here. You have the controller inside. You go with this here into what we call a multi-box here. So you connect the battery into this. In this multi-box, you can also have a second and a third battery, or you can also connect the generator. They have a small computer in here. So it's not many cables that you need to connect, and actually quite easy installation. We have here also different mounting flanges for adapters for Volvo, Yanmar, or you name it. You know, if you're refitting a boat, then that's much easier like that.
Right, okay. And how about sealing this? Because I see there's no rubber gaiter here.
So the reason for the rubber plate is the vibration that goes into the fiberglass holes where these mostly are installed.
Okay.
And we don't really need that, as we have. I mean, you see here it's running. We have no vibration on these things, as we have no thermal engine. Yeah.
Okay. And if we wanted to get one of these, how do we go about acquiring one?
Yeah, we are selling to shipyards and dealers. And if you want to know more about these developments and where to get it, you can also sign up on our website, EPTechnologies.dk. We have a newsletter function there, and then you get all the information all the time, what's happening.
Okay, thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you as well.